Why, hello there, and welcome back. I'm Brian, and this is my Sugarshack Nature Center and Family Pavilion 3000 build, better known as a shed. I've made a lot of progress over the last week, and I'm back in my pajama pants, giving you an update on where I'm at and where I'm going. So let's check out what I did last week, what's in store for this weekend. We have rafters up. I just got to put 2 more rafters up, and I have to finish checking on one rafter. One rafter is sticking up and it's driving me nuts, so I gotta fix it. The loft is mostly up. I gotta put another piece of plywood on the right and on the left side of the loft. And I got the cupola boxed in and raftered up. The rafters I gotta put on are on the end, and that's a pain in the butt for me to get up. So I am working on that. I also took the liberty after work to cut the rafter tails. Rafter tails are looking good, all even. On the other side, you'll see I have them sticking out. I didn't make the rafter tail cut when I put the rafters up because in case I made a mistake, I would have extra leeway to fix it. If I cut the rafter tails and I had a mistake, I would have to get a new rafter board. And I was getting tired of wasting wood. So these are going to be getting cut today, and that's going to be awesome. Also on the docket today, I got to install the evaporator. We're in peak sugaring season in Connecticut. And you can see the only dry spot I have here is where I'm putting the evaporator. I'm getting tired of having to clear out this building with snow. And more snow is on the way next week. Looks like it's only going to be a few inches this time, but I'm getting tired of it. This side is looking good. I gotta get the gable closed up. I gotta get gable studs put in, plywood attached, finish the loft, finish cutting the rafter ties on the other side, throw the plywood on top, get the roofing paper on, eventually roof it. But before I do that, I'm gonna be prioritizing getting the evaporator in. And that evaporator is gonna go in the only dry spot in this building. I gotta let this dry a little bit more, get concrete board down, get tile down, start to tile it, let it sit for a day, and tomorrow brick it. Or maybe I might just throw this on here temporarily. I don't know, I gotta figure it out. And then the chimney's gonna go up top here. I have my work cut out for me. I gotta get the evaporator over from the shed. Let's go check out what I gotta do. It's a mess in here, but I gotta take this bad boy and bring it over there, and it's heavy. I have about 100 taps out there in the Mews forest. It's taken me a long time to get them out there, and I'm trying to capture as much sap as possible. Again, in Connecticut, this season is going to be short. In about a week, it's supposed to get into the 60s. I'm hoping that after the first week of March, we get another freeze and another cycle, because I need temperatures in the 20s at night and in the 40s during the day. I have red maple trees, and these red maple trees tend to really start to flow only when it's 40 degrees. A lot of people get them flowing at like 30, 35. Not this guy, for whatever reason. Once the sap starts to flow, I'm hoping to get a few hundred gallons of sap and I can boil it into a few gallons of syrup. I need to get the evaporator going, but it took me a lot of work just to get all these taps out there. And then now I can focus back on the building, and hopefully I can get the plywood on the roof so I don't have to keep scraping snow out of the building, and a chimney installed. Those are pretty lofty goals. My wife wants to kill me because I've been spending so much time out here, but I think it's gonna be worth it, and hopefully the kids are gonna benefit from all of this. So if you're out there in Connecticut tapping trees and making maple syrup, good luck. It's a lot of work ahead of us. I hope your sap, your syrup turns out to be really good. Send me some, and good luck.